Alright guys, I want to give you this free Amapiano loops and MIDI. Download this for free. Yo, the name is Gosa and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright, so today's video I want to give you this free Amapiano loops. Okay, very simple, which comes with their MIDI and the key which was played in. So guys, I'm gonna start with by introducing GMS. Alright, you can download this free from the link in the description box, but watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip the file. So when you load this or any plugin that you want to use, you can just come here, drag any of the MIDI into it. Very simple guys, like this. So let's listen. Very simple. Let's drag another one. Watch this. Crazy. All right, let's change. Very simple guys. Check the bass. Alright, so what you're gonna do is to use the right VST or plugin you want to use. Okay, they come with their keys. You can see that this is in B minor. So let's move on to the next one guys. Check this bass. Okay, very simple guys, you can just drag them and use them. All right, let me change. So these are what the MIDI. All you gotta do is to drag them and use the right plugins that you want to use. Let's see this. Comes with different parts, melodies. They are in the form of MIDI, so just drag them into your plugin and use. Alright, one thing I also like about this is that you can use this ones, the audio form. Okay, so if you go here, you can see these are the wave files. You can use them to make your beat. Let's listen to this one. Okay, you can find them here. Okay, so you just drag them over onto the playlist, then you chop where you want to use. Very simple. So guys, let's listen to this. You can see, very simple. So guys, just subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip this. This is very simple game. Okay, you see that? Crazy. Oh, then you're going to the bass side. I like it. Wow. Just chop it where you want, then start making your beats from there. All right. Wow. Guys, you see that? Very simple. So I'm gonna move to the second one, but I'm not going to play the whole thing. Let's try this side. Very simple, guys. Then move to this side. Okay, let's try the third one. So this is a pad, all right. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. So this is the bass. Alright, let's move to this side. You see that, guys? So download it for free. The last one, let me try it here. Then move to this side. Alright guys, so you can use the wave file or drag and drop the MIDI. Then also remember to check the key. Alright, so the name is God Side, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Download for free. Alright.